You often talk about the overnight reset. Is this realistic for a reserve currency like the dollar? It would literally be a global reset. Isn't it more likely that the dollar value will be rapidly debased over a compressed timeline, still affecting everyone but allowing time to adjust the global system?
Well, John, you're 100% right that it will literally be a global reset. But I also believe, well, actually, it's not just that I believe. The IMF already has in place through their substitution fund a way for the entire world to convert their dollar-denominated assets. I don't like to call them assets because that's not the way I think of them, but okay. To convert their dollar-denominated bonds and their cash into SDR-denominated bonds and cash. So the mechanisms for that conversion on a global basis is already in place. It was put in place back in the end of the 60s, 69, and then it was tested in 2009. And so that's actually a more realistic view. We'll see what's going to end up as the world reserve currency, but I still personally believe it to be the SDR because that's a basket of currencies. So in theory, if any country or corporation deposited their dollar-denominated assets or instruments into this substitution fund, then in theory they could regulate the speed of how quickly those dollars came back to the U.S. And that's what they're going to want to do is attempt to regulate it or to regulate us into the next overnight reset. But yes, 100%. This is global reset. This is a global issue. If it was only in the U.S., we'd already been probably gone. But there are too many dollars that are in the system that have to be restructured into whatever that next iteration is. And we're not talking CBDCs in this. This is the global currency. But the SDR, as a basket, they could open that basket up to every currency on the planet, and then we'd end up with a local currency and a global currency. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.